Technical calculation of bullish probability of the main altcoins and most promising categories. Today, July 27th, Gaming.
I am not a financial advisor and nothing you see in this video should be considered investment advice.
We will first analyze the top 40 altcoins with the highest market cap in the category, and then we will do a second analysis of low-cap altcoins with less than 10 million market cap. Let's go with the first one. We review the trend evolution compared on a 100 basis. The first 16 of these 40 altcoins are shown on the screen for each of the last 30 days. The central bar, orange, is the market cap. The blue bar is popularity, calculated based on sources such as Google Crux. And the green bar is the volume, taking the 30-day daily moving average. To the right, you can see the aggregated trend of these 40 altcoins for these three factors. Normally, crypto analysts focus only on market cap, but volume and popularity are two determining factors that must also be taken into account. We also have the fear and greed indicator of the crypto market, which we currently have with 72 points in a state of greed. These indicators, correctly valued in each case together with the market cap, will give us a more accurate and realistic calculation. Therefore, it is essential to stay up to date with these indicators and assess them correctly in order to better project short-term trends at any given time and try to anticipate the movements of such a volatile market. Let's see now what the global trend is for the category, and then we will see which are the altcoins with the best projection right now. At this time, the immediate short-term bullish potential, or probability, for the gaming category is low, with a valuation of 50.45 points out of 100. And on an individual level, this is the valuation calculated for each of the altcoins. We see them classified in order and by color, based on their immediate short-term bullish potential. New altcoins have entered this ranking, such as GamerCoin, which enters directly into position 3. The altcoin that has risen the most positions is Unchained, which has risen 26 positions to position 13. Given the complete list, let's see the top 3 best rated. In third place we have GamerCoin, with a high short-term bullish potential with 84.45 points. In second place we have Mines of Dalarnia, with a very high short-term bullish potential with 92.38 points. And finally, in first place we have God's Unchained, with a very high short-term bullish potential with 92.98 points. And these are the overall results for the category, but what if we focus only on the low-cap altcoins, whose potential volatility is much higher? Let's see it. Top 30 altcoins with less than 10 million market cap of the gaming category. On the screen we see the comparative evolution, based on 100, of the first 16 of these 30 altcoins in each of the last 30 days. As in the global analysis, the central bar is the market cap, the blue bar is popularity, and the green bar is the volume. And to the right you can see the aggregated trend of these 30 altcoins for each of these three factors. Obviously, in these altcoins of such low capitalization we see a very high volatility in market cap and volume, and, therefore, this means that their immediate growth potential, both bullish and bearish, can be several multiples higher than that of the top global altcoins with much higher market caps. That said, as always, let me remind you that the risk with this type of altcoin is much higher and must be managed very responsibly. We can see that the best performing altcoin in terms of nominal return per market cap has been Chain Games with a 147.37% change in the last 30 days, followed by GensoKishi Metaverse with 57.47% and Defy Land with 17.62%. But is their short-term growth projection really the best if we take into account their trend line, volume, popularity, and market sentiment? Let's see it. At this time, the aggregated bullish, or probability, potential for these low-cap altcoins in the short term of the gaming category is very low, with a valuation of 35.31 points out of 100. On an individual level, this is the calculated valuation for each of the altcoins. New altcoins have entered this ranking, such as Chain Games, which enters directly into position 1. The altcoin that has risen the most positions is BAG, which has risen 14 positions to position 14. And it is worth mentioning altcoins such as Artifact, Altered State Machine and Xana, which no longer appear in this ranking due to exceeding the 10 million market cap. Given the complete list, let's see the top 3 best rated. In third place we have Senate, with a short-term bullish potential of moderate, with 55.62 points. In second place, we have GensoKishi Metaverse, with a short-term bullish potential of high, with 80.27 points. And finally, in first place we have Chain Games, with a short-term bullish potential of high, with 81.15 points. And these are the results for the low-cap altcoins in the gaming category. As I always say, no one knows if a crypto will 100x or go to zero in the future, but we do have data and objective analysis as a benchmark. Don't forget to subscribe to stay ahead of the next trend changes and not miss out on future opportunities in this market. And also give me a like to support this little channel. Thank you for your support, and don't miss the next analysis.